9:20 a.m. 52.7 degrees. 808dragon.com. I live there. 49 degrees in Lancaster right now, and I live right about there. 52 degrees, I win. 10:25 a.m. 52.5 degrees. Still yet, I live there.
Across Ventura and LA County,
That's a
up to
whole
3.
bunch of
And we have flash flood warnings, basically starting
thunderstorms.
from Malibu.
It'd be raining, so let's collect some water from that rain.
11:20 a.m. Still 52 degrees. 0.1 amps input on the solar. 12.5 volts on the deep cycle and 12.9 volts on the LiFePO 4. Not good. 99% on the Jackery. Good. 9:35 a.m. 47 degrees. 24 hours later. Captured this much water in this thing and almost no water in my jars. Still got a little water left in this one. Gonna have to tie that open.